Lagi, tarong mag-vlog dyan. Tarong nga. Nag-vlog daw siya, day. Ang bata natin, nandyan. You show to ate your toy. You show here in the camera. This is my toy, ate. You show to them. This is my toy. What are you doing? Sabi, hinakot niya yung toy niya, day. Hinakot niya yung toy. Nandyan yung bata natin, oh. Yeah, that's right, Asher. Yung tanawa. Nag-untol-untol pa siya, day. Matalon-talon, day ba? Na, sige. You showing your toy to ate? This is my cubes, ate. Uy, na, di cannot see anymore, oh. Oh, di cannot see anymore. You cover the camera. Untol-untol. Tumatalon-talon ng bata batuta. This is my toy, ate. I have a lot of toys. Shush, shush, oh. Ang bata, oh. You shoot, ate, you jump. Tinadeng tiil ang paa, day. May socks pa yung kamay, day. Ano? No. Ay, ginawa ko yung bataan. Dahil mag-prepare muna ako ng pagkain ni Bibi Kano, mga inday. Kasi ngayon pa talaga kami nagising, mga inday. Ay, naku. It's time to start. Ang oras dito sa amin, day, is 7:46 in the morning, mga inday. So, let's go na. Umpisahan na natin yung ating buhay. Pasensya na kayo kapag ganito is medyo madilim yung ating video, day. Pasensya na. May araw na siya, day. O, tingnan niyo sa curtain namin. Diba? May araw na siya sa labas. Tingnan nga natin sa front porch kung ano ba, malamig ba. You stay there, Asher. You cannot stay with mama. Hindi na siya yung sobrang malamig, day. Kasi yung araw ba, papasok, ang araw nandyan kasi sa harapan. Kaya hindi siya yung bunggahan na malamig. So, pasok na tayo sa loob, day. Si Bibi Kano, hindi pwede na dalhin ko siya, day, dito, day. Kasi tatakbo-takbo yan dito. And then hindi ako makakatrabaho. O, tingnan nyo anong ginagawa, oh. Oh, sumasabit yan, day, oh. Yung ginagawang bata, batuta, oh. Nandiyan, sumasabit yung bata. Nagduyan-duyan. Nice. Mama need to start my work. Kain. Naglalaro siya sa kanyang toy, mga inday. Yung car. You should, ate, this is my car, ate. This is my toy. This is my favorite car. Oh, that is your car? Huh? Car. Sus, ang bata nga gamay. Car. It's yummy. Yummy. This is vitamin snack. This is avocado and banana. You need this one in your body. Sus. Hala, what is that there? Hala, oh, tanawa na good, oh. Hala, there is a neighbor, oh. Neighbor. Hi! Oh, nag-hi pa sa neighbor, day. Hi, neighbor. You don't let that your hand. Hi. Gusto na niyang bumaba, day. Sa mahiwagan, may mama will be. Gusto na niyang bumaba, mga inday. Ginoo ko. Hello, mga inday, mga dudong. Mga inday, lalabas tayo. Lalabas tayo, day. Bibili tayo ng weed whacker, day. Ang tawag, yan yung tawag nila dito, day. Parang pangputol ng damo, day. Or iwan ko, day. Ano yan, day? Wala talagang alam sa mga gardening, mga inday. Kasi dito is, day, mabilis lang tumutubo yung mga damo dito, mga inday. So, kailangan ng mga tools ba? Para mapadali para mapadali mo yung trabaho mo, mga inday. So, ngayon, Saan yung jusawa ko day? Nawala man dito day. Ano sa asawa ko eh? My love! Nawala ko. Natanaw. Okay. Go down, Asher. Okay, ang ano mo nak, ang bigat. Yan, si Bibi kang mga hindi. You gonna call Papa? Papa! Papa! Where are you, Papa? Yung weather natin day parang ano day eh. Yung araw day ba nawawa? Saba, tinabunan yung araw ng clouds. Kukunin nga natin tong ano day oh. Itong blue na to. Lagay natin doon sa gilid. Asher, come here. Lagay na natin dito day oh. Nandito yung bata-batuta natin. Hi! Hinihintay namin yung papa niya day. Yung bato day oh, binigyan niya ako ng bato. No, no, no! No, that's gasoline. We go, Papa, na tara. Let's go, Papa. Ay, gino ko na kong anak day. Tumatakbo ng bata. Sige. Tumatakbo ng bata. Ilagay natin tong 20 pesos yung $20 dyan day kasi no, medyo basa siya day ba. And then nagdala din ako ng extra na jacket ibibika no. Oh, sige. You cannot open that one, Asher. You cannot open it. Eh, Tatawagin ko muna yung asawa ko day. Bakit ang tagal ng asawa ko day? Nandun sa mankib day. Ay naku. Bakit tinanggal mo yung kalo mo nak? Naikon na yung ano, na lipstick. Nalagay ko na sa bibi kano dyan mga inday. And then hinihintay na lang namin yung papa niya na dumating. Ooh. Ay, ang tagal ng papa niya day. May 3 seats pa dito available sa likod day. And then yung 2 sa harapan. So bali 7 seaters itong sasakyan na to mga inday. Yeah, that's right, bata. Yeah, that's right. Shush, ang bata. Manipis lang yung jacket ibibikano na sinuot niya day kasi hindi naman siya yung bunggahan na lamig mga inday ba. Ay, Ginoo ko. Pupuntahan ko nga yung asawa ko day. Diyan lang sa gilid day oh. Diyan lang ba oh. Kasi nandyan yung asawa ko day. So, ano ko, tatawagin ko saan yung bata ba na madugay dyan ni ani ba Shilton eh madugay dyan ni ani day. My love! Ay, nandiyan yung asawa ko. My love! Shilton! Ay, wala man siguro ang asawa ko dyan day. Tingnan, silipin nga natin be. Shilton, let's go. I put already Asher there. You just bring the wire.
Asher's in the car?
Yeah. Come here.
Where's my hat?
Where's your hat? What kind of hat? What hat?
Where's my hat?
I don't know where. Where you put?
Might be in the house.
Oh, you need to. Asher is there already in the car. Sabi ng asawa ko, saan daw yung kalo niya day. Hindi ko nakita yung kalo niya. Saan niya nilagay? Iwan ko. Saan niya nilagay yun? Gahanap siya ng kalo niya. Iwan ko saan niya nilagay. Kasi yung asawa ko day, pataka ang nagbutang buday. Magsalig ba nga? Naay asawa day. Magsalig na siya day. Ay, Ginoo ko ng banaha ka. Lamig kusi yung ilong nagisngag. Ay, patay eh.
Always wear sunglasses around your wife so you can check out other chicks.
Ibang, I don't know, you look your hat lab. Because Asher is here in the car already.
Because if asked her, she can get it all out.
Mga Inday, nandito tayo sa car wash mga Inday.
Yeah.
Kailangan ng paliguan itong sasakyan day. Kasi ang ano na siya day, dusty na siya day ba? So, asawa ko dahil lumabas na. And then ito yung car wash nila dito dahil. Yeah, nandyan dahil. Nandyan, asawa ko dahil. Diba? So ako dahil, dito lang ako dahil, pasiting pretty lang dahil. And then si Bibi Kano, nandyan si Bibi Kano sa kanyang upuan. So ano dahil makulimlim ngayon dahil, and then it's not a good time, it's not a good timing dahil mga inday, diba? Kasi nga is cloudy, and then baka uulan, and then lilinisan namin tong sasakyan. But tomorrow yung asawa ko dahil may trabaho na yung asawa ko tomorrow. So yeah, kaya lilinisan namin itong sasakyan mga inday. And then iwan ko dahil parang ano dahil yung ulo ko dahil inaantok ako dahil. I think I don't have enough sleep dahil kagabi, kaya ganito dahil, but I don't want to stay in the house. Today is a Mother's Day dito sa Jumerica mga inday. So kaya sabi ng asawa ko, what your plan? And then sabi ko, wala naman akong plano. Wala lang dahil. So iwan ko, tingnan lang natin mga inday. Ay, asawa ko dahil. Asawa ko. Lolo. Nalay. Linisan mo ng mabuti yung asawa ko. Hindi, nandyan yung asawa ko dahil. Kailangan ko daw i-vacuum. Hindi ko alam dahil paano to vacuum dahil hang hose here. Iwan ko talaga dahil. Iwan ko paano yung gagamitin dahil. Nandito tayo dahil. And then yung asawa natin. My love, maybe this is one, it is not working. Maybe that only one or the other one. Patarbahoon yung ko niya dahi. Tanaw na po siya dahi. You want me to work ha? Bantay ka lang nun.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You gonna teach me. Lagyan ng pira.
You got the little hose? You just vacuum up the floors, the seats?
Boy, I'm scared this one gani. Teach me how to do it.
I'm not teaching you. You get over here, look. Just get stuff out, look.
Ah, like that? Okay.
And then down on the floor, look.
Okay.
The little vacuum stuff,
Okay, I know now.
you gotta work it.
Wala! Nalagay, ako lagay.
Alright, go.
Okay. I-vacuum ko muna ito, day, ha? O, lagay yan, ganun daw. Ganun daw. No. Ah, i-vacuum ko muna ito, day. Ilagay ko kayo dyan. Day, update ko kayo day, oy.
access and go, look at me, I'm such a good person.
Yeah,
When
that's
you got
right.
somebody else and this guy over here at the car wash, it could have been his last $20.
Yeah, that's right.
You know?
Naiyak ako day ba kasi may ano day, may foreigner day ba na humingi ng tulong day. Siya talaga yung humingi day. Pinuntahan kami. And then yung cash namin day is how much day? May kaunti lang yung cash namin day ba kasi wala kaming cash. Pero you know, may ATM pero kailangan pa mag-withdraw sa ATM day. And then yung kung ano yung natira sa pocket ng asawa ko day, binigay niya sa lalaki. Naawa ako day ba? And then buti na lang day yung nag-car wash din sa kabilang room day, binigyan siya ng $20 day. Naawa lang ako. Nakakaiyak lang ba? I hope I have cash in my bag, but I don't have cash man good day. Wala akong cash ba?
We gave what we could at the time, though.
Yeah, that's
So
what I
there's no
said.
guilt to be carried.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, God provided the moment and we responded appropriately.
Yeah, that's right, love.
And then that other guy was there in the way that he was there, which was nice.
Yeah, that's right. Naawa lang talaga ako. So ngayon mga Inday, nandito kami sa bangko. Nagkuha kami ng cash day. So yeah.
Yeah, you respond to those things. It's like if you want God's blessings, His provisions,
Yeah, that's
you better respond to God when He calls you.
Yeah,
Because
that's
He can
right.
take everything you have in a minute.
Yeah. That's
Don't
right.
mock people that are down because God will mock you when you're down.
Kahit hindi tayo kahit hindi tayo mayaman, and then may humihingi sa atin ng tulong kahit magkano lang na maibigay sa atin. I mean, kahit magkano lang yung nasa atin mga Inday, at least nagbigay tayo mga Inday ba? Nakakaawa lang mga Inday na may mga tao na ganyan na kailangan talagang humingi sa iyo day ba, di ba yung iba day magstay lang sila sa kalsada, and then siya talaga day pinuntahan talaga kami sa sasakyan, and then tinawag ko yung asawa ko kung ano ang kailangan niya. Yun pala day humihingi siya ng tulong day. Yun, nakakaawa lang talaga. So ngayon mga Inday is nandito na tayo uli sa highway. Dito tayo day. So pupunta tayo sa Home Depot mga Inday. Kasi may titingnan kami. Makulimlim talaga siya day. Wala nang araw, there is no sun anymore.
Yeah, what happened to the sun?
It's hiding
Boy.
place.
Yeah, it
Hiding
is.
place. So, may titingnan kami dyan day kung magkano yung ano sabi ko sa inyo ba, with walker day na rechargeable siya day. And then tingnan natin day kung kaya sa bulsa mga Inday. Kung kaya sa bulsa bibilhin natin. So titingnan natin kung bibilhin ba talaga day. So ito yung Home Depot dito day.
Home Depot is packed.
Yeah.
Look at all the cars, everybody's doing home projects.
Maybe they're buying, like flowers,
Everything,
gardening.
Everything, weed whackers, lawnmowers,
Yeah,
flowers,
that's right.
paint, wood, anything.
we look flowers there.
It's spring project time, so some people will be building decks and
Yeah.
different stuff like that. So
I will look at flowers, just a small one, indoor flowers.
yeah, we find some other state flower.
Yeah, just a small one ba? Not the big one.
That's right, Asher. Daddy's
Kukunin.
coming to get you. I can get him
You're the
off
one,
the
Dad?
side. Yeah,
Okay.
I can do that now.
Okay. Yung asawa ko daw ang kukuha kay Bibi Kano mga Inday. So ako ay lalabas na dahil.
He's coming. Oh, look.
What?
Down on the floor.
What?
The sill plate. You see where the rubber one's at? Down at the
Yeah.
the black rubber one?
Yeah.
So that will be replaced. I think maybe even it might sit over the top of it with the one that lights up and everything when you open the door.
Okay. So yung Diyosawa medyo maginaw siya na day, pero kaya lang day, parang nasa aircon ka day ba? Nasa aircon ka ng high speed.
Look at his fancy shoes.
Yeah, that's right.
So fancy.
Come here na, Share Shayton. Ang dami nilang mga bulaklak day. Oh, hala, may tao day. Bawal mag-ano day, video day. Hala, may mga ano sila day. Oh. My love, what we call of that love? Like a house love? This one here, the small house, like a small cabinet?
A shed?
Ah, shed. Okay. Let's go na. Ah, kailangan ilak yung sasakyan day. Let's go.
The buggy sealed.
Day, oh, ang dami nilang ano day.
Right.
Nagganito ako day kasi kanina day ba may araw naman kanina kaya ganito yung damit ko. So ngayon ano to day, aurahan na, agwanta day. Agwanta. Kahit nilalamig na ako, hala, aura pa rin. Kasi may araw pa talaga kanina day yung ano, nandoon pa kami sa bahay. So ngayon wala nang araw, malamig na talaga. Day, ang dami nilang mga bulaklak day. Oh. Pasok tayo. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, dahil ikaw yung magtingin dyan kung anong gusto mo kasi wala akong alam. So ako dito sa flower ako. Kaya may alam ako dito sa flower. Alay, maganda siya dahil. Ito dahil. Ito dahil may kulay. Ha? Hello? Why? Ah, the seeds? Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of seeds. My love, I am here in my flower. Saan na yung nakita ko day? Nawala. Ito yung gusto ko day. Oh. How much to? Diba day? Ouch! Ouch! Ito day. Oh. Gusto ko to day. Maganda. Pero ang liit naman day. Tama na to day. My love, look. Do you like it? Day, maganda siya day. Mga bulak to. Slowly. Bili ka no. Isa lang. This is enough na. Just one only. One only. Ito yung weed whacker nila dito day. Asawa ko nandiyan namimili. My love, where is the weed whacker? Love, I don't know what is weed whacker. You look. This one. But
Down there at the bottom.
you want rechargeable, yeah?
Yeah.
You look rechargeable.
That's what those are. There's one at the bottom down there. That's $2.99.
Okay.
But these are the better brands.
Oh, you choose the better
Oh
brand.
yeah, I did on that.
Tunay, ito daw weed whacker day. Oh, ito daw yung weed whacker dito day. And then ang presyo niya,
There's a cheaper one here.
presyo niya is $2.99. Nasaan yung $2.99 daw day? Where's the $2.99? It's $3.49, not $2.99. This one.
Down the bottom, yeah.
$2.99. Okay. Yung ko day, anong
What does that
gusto mo?
come with? Milwaukee.
Okay. I'm looking the ano here love, the orchids love. Why it's expensive man gani. Orchids 14. Day mahal day $15 day. Ito lang day na maliit day, $15 na day. Kung may bulaklak siya. Mahal man siya day. Ayaw ko niyan day. Mahal. No, I don't want. It's expensive. It's $15. Just a flower. Just $15. $15 only.
Well, how can it breathe? You can't breathe in there.
It's ano love, $20.
Yeah, but it don't breathe. How does it breathe?
I don't know. Sabi ng asawa ko
I
na
can see how those
nasa
ones
loob kasi
breathe.
ng bottle day. Sabi,
See, they cut holes in those and they grow up.
sabi ng asawa ko paano daw makaginhawa yung
Poor
ano,
little guy.
yung bulaklak or yung plant sa loob ng
It's
bottle.
cool, love.
Yeah. It's crazy.
No, love, get some plants. Make it.
No, I don't want.
Oh,
That's
these are
enough.
cute.
It's cute, yeah, that's enough. Gani.
Oh, those are nice stuff.
No, that's enough one na. Sige na. I don't want to.
Put your windowsill perfect.
No.
Look, I'm
One.
trying to help you here, man.
No, I don't want to spend more money there. That's enough there I want.
Well, you could hang one of those in the windows.
No, I don't need. That's all I need, only
I
there
need to
one.
come here without you. You are no fun to come with.
Sabi ng asawa ko, siya lang daw yung pupunta dito dahil kasi ako dahil pinipili ko yung pinaka-cheap. Hoy, Shelton! Ikaw ron ha? Na, bantay ka lang ron. Mga inday, tapos na kami sa loob mga inday. And then, hindi ko yung binili namin doon. That's right, super cute. She have a orchids there. Orchids flower. Ang daming bulaklak. Ang batik-batik na. Papunta na tayo ng sasakyan mga inday. And yeah. Yay! Where our car Danica? Okay. Oh, is easy to find the car na lang. Kasi yung maliit na sasakyan dahil medyo mahirap kasi may mga malalaking sasakyan and then natatabunan yung sasakyan namin. Kukunin ko muna si Bibi Kano mga inday. Nandiyan na si Bibi Kano mga inday. Nasa loob na. And then yung sawa ko nandiyan na sa loob. Ay, sa loob.
Extra battery.
Ay, sa loob. Oh.
For $200.
Ah, okay. Okay. Nandiyan sa loob. Pasok na tayo. Sabi ko nandiyan sa loob. Nandiyan sa likod pala. Yung utak ko dahil hindi gumagana dahil.
Look, love, it's a couple plant.
Oh, I really like that plants. Gusto ko itong nabili ko na plants dahil pang indoor siya na na plants. Pang indoor. What is the name? Petunia. It's a petunia.
It's a petunia?
Yeah, that's what it said here. Petunia.
I've heard of the name. I've never really known what it was.
Ay, magpasibig muna tayo. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, let's go.
So damn smooth.
Yeah. We're really loving the car now, love.
Yeah, I think we done really good, love. Made a great decision.
Yay, thank you,
We
Jesus.
didn't spend a lot of money.
Yeah, that's right. And there is no headache in our brain that next month is again, what we call it, that love payment again for the house.
Yeah, we killed that right off.
That's
We
right.
just went done.
You know, the stress in your brain like, oh, thank you God, you're resting. You're resting. Inday, nandito na tayo mga inday. And then kukunin ng Diyosawa ko si Bibi Kano. Day kay ngayon, makuday, uy. Kay ngayon. Gusto kong umihi. Nandiyan yung mag-ama natin, day. Kinuha ng asawa ko, day. So, dyan tayo pupunta, day, sa paborito naming restaurant, day, sa Buffalo Wild Wings. Kasi, day, kasi dyan mga inday, kapag dyan kakakain, may points na maka-earn ka ng points, day. And then, pwede mong palitan ng pagkain nila, day. So, kaya, yan yung isa sa nagustuhan namin, day. I want to pee, my love. I want to pee. Gusto ko, naihi ako, day, uy. Yung mag-ama ko. I will go to the toilet, huh?
Yeah, that's right.
After I put Asher in the high chair.
Take your ice.
Uy, what happened to that car? Different color na. Different color. Dito na yun. Thank you. Yay.
What you doing? Do you see yourself? Hi, how you doing?
It'll be here first. We'll be over just a moment.
Okay, salamat. Thank you.
Hello.
You keep your little sticky fingers over there. Yeah. Good.
order namin dahil chips at saka cheese.
Yeah, it's like some.
Asher want to eat.
Ante? You can't have these ones. He chokes on chips.
I
though.
know. You try.
You get the tomato. That looks like a brie almost.
Yeah,
And then there's the cheese underneath.
cheese. You try. What is the taste? It's our first time. It's yummy? Okay. Gusto mong kumain ni Asher dahil bawal siya dito dahil kasi ano, matilaok. Matukan si Asher dahil bawal.
Come here. Wala akong kamagyo.
Masarap siya dahil. It's yummy.
You want hot?
He wants his food.
Yes, ma'am. Look up.
Hello, there's something more there.
Chili.
Ah, okay. You are not allowed to eat that one, Asher. You try. It's a little bit spicy.
You
See?
like that? I can't let you have the chips, Asher. You choke on those things.
Yeah, that's right. My love. Oh, in his face. There's something in his face.
Oh, come with this mac and cheese, please.
Ah, yeah. We need to serve that first.
Maybe you'll just think that there's stuff on here and it won't actually be. Hey, you choke on these.
Asher. Yeah, that's right. You really want to eat?
No, look.
Mga Inday, ito yung order namin, Day. Ang late, hindi ka na dyan. Kanina pa siya kain, Day. Yung papa niya dyan, burger. And then ito ay kadidikan. And then let's eat.
You know some of my fries?
Lord, thank you for the food. Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Bata na batuta.
No. Yeah, that's right. Mama's sneaking that in. Poor thing, you don't even have a choice, do you? That kid steals hearts, man. Yeah. He's gonna collect Mother's Day, woman.
Happy Mother's Day, everyone. Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, happy Mother's Day. Ah. Mga Inday, tapos na kami doon mga Inday. So ngayon may take out tayo day. And then may coke tayo day. Binaon ko yung coke day. Ah, ang lamig. Ah, mahangin. It's cold. Ay, ano ko. Yeah, but it's wet.
Making me laugh.
Ah. You put Asya there inside. Ay, naku na dito na tayo sa... Oh, naunasan na akong ba? Nandito pa rin kami sa highway mga Inday. Nang dahil day sa request lang ng anak ko day, gusto niyang ano, DQ Queen. Ice cream siya day ba? Derek, what is the name, love?
It's Dairy Queen, huh?
Basta, nga na. Ice cream siya day ba? Yung pangalan is Dairy Queen daw, sabi ng asawa ko day. And then, malayo-layo day. Malayo-layo na talaga siya day. And then, ayaw naman, sabi ng asawa ko, we don't want to break the heart of Prince. Kasi
Yeah, that's right.
nag-request talaga yung pangalawa kong anak day. Mama, the ice cream. What, do you remember the flavor?
He just likes the vanilla. Soft
Yeah,
serve.
vanilla. Vanilla yung gusto niya
Nothing
day.
in it, just vanilla soft serve.
Yeah, just plain vanilla without anything with it, just a vanilla flavor. Iyan yung ano day, isa sa ngayon yan yung ice cream na gustong-gusto ng anak ko ngayon. Ngayon lang yan nakagusto ng ice cream day. Nag-request kanina. So ngayon, papunta kami doon. And then malayo siya day. Kailangan magdaan kami sa super highway. Oh. Ay, kasilaw day. Eh, yung araw ba? Tayo oh. Oh.
There.
There.
It's this way, coming from
Ah.
Culver's.
Okay.
Sitting at the red light. No, it's
No,
not.
it's not. It's different one. Oh, this is the place that we always go. That one. Ito dayo, yan yung request ng anak ko dahil DQ. DQ. Yan yung request niya dahil na ice cream.
Oh, you need to get rid of this.
Okay.
We're gonna need room.
Okay.
This. You gotta help.
Yeah, okay, I will help. I will put this one here. This one. Big, give me that one, B. Wala lang. Okay. Yung bulak ko na yun. Ah, maganda yung bulaklak ko nabili. I can put this one in the floor, yeah?
Yeah.
I dere.
Somewhere or another, we still need more cup holders. Like 4. We need 4 up here.
Yeah, more one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I am recording.
You gotta stop for a little while. Love.
Okay. Inday, nandito na kami sa bahay, Mang Inday. And then yung asawa ko naglagay sa mga ano. And then, ay, ang lamig day. Ito yung nabili namin na weed walker day. Sobrang taas day. Ha! Super cold. Mga Inday, pasok na ako day. Sinampay ng asawa ko yung ano day. And then, day, papasok na ako talaga day kasi sobrang ginawa. May go inside na love, it's super cold. I'm gonna pee. Kailangan ko umihi day.